Hello guys, how are you all doing? This is me Vivek Pangal and you are watching Autocar Society. Today we are here at Arvind Tata to review the new Tata Nexon which is standing just behind that gate. Let me show you guys. And here it is, the new Tata Nexon 2000. This is the new Tata Nexon 2020 model. The Tata was first launched in India in 2014 but came to sale in 2016. The first Tata Nexon was shown in Delhi Motor Show in the year 2014. Now this is all about the launch of the car. But let me give you a little bit overview of this car. The Tata Nexon was based on the Tata's X1 platform which was introduced in India in 1981 and brought in India with the Tata Indica. After going on sales in 2015, Tata Nexon had become the India's first compact SUV which is loved by whole India. In 2017, Tata Nexon got a facelift and some major updates. But now in 2020, the Tata Nexon has got up with a BS6 engine and new engine powers which gives this car 10 more horsepower. But those engine power are just numbers. The particular model we have got over here is the Tata Nexon XZ Plus model. It has got a 1.2 liter Reventro engine. It has 120 horsepower and 140 Nm of torque. Now as I mentioned earlier, this car has got a facelift. The facelift that this car has got is a new chin-up and new front design. In the older models, the front looks a little bit narrow, but this time they have gone with a wider design aspect. In front we have got the new LED DRLs, our headlights and fog lamps. The fog lamps are fluorescent lights. Now here we can have a closer look at the new BS6 engine which is provided to us in the Tata Nexon. There is nothing particularly changed from the previous model, just the additional 10 horsepower and the new BS6 concept that has been introduced in India. Now as we've done the front of the car, let's move ahead to the side of the car. Now watching the wheels, the car has got 16 inches wheels from Bridgestone. The side of the car has been changed a bit. Now we have got roof rails, some body lines, new body lines, and the C-pillar which was in chrome color in the last model has now gone to give this car a less coupe look. The wheelbase of this car is around 2.5 meters. Now we are at the back of the car. We can see the new tail lamp and indicator positioning. On the back we have got our shark fin antenna on the top, our rear wiper, Nexon badging to distinguish it from the last version. Now just above the Nexon logo, we have got our rear parking camera and rear parking sensors underneath. Now as we are back on the back of the car, let me open the tailgate for you guys and show you the rear trunk of the car. There is nothing particular special here in the car. This car has got a 350 liters boot space inside here. And we got ourselves just the repair kit over here. Now I will show you where here we have got our spare tire and the toolkit for it. We don't get any fancy handle for it. You just need to put your hand inside a little cutout over here. Now on the door. Coming to the doors of the car. We got dual tone finishing on the doors of the car as well. Now Tata has offered an umbrella holder inside the car and 1 liter bottle holder in every gate of the car. Now on the driver car we got our window controls and mirror controls. We can control both left and right side mirrors from only this side only. Getting inside the car is really easy. You get keyless entry. And the first thing you notice as you get inside the car is the new designing on the seats of the car, which we can see inside whole interior and the exterior of the car. Now seating is really comfortable here as compared to the last models. Now as mentioned earlier, we can open the trunk from just a press of a button inside here. Steering wheel of the car, we got all of our cruise controls and media control over here. Our voice command. This car has also got voice command system. In the front we got our tacho and speedo. On the left and right we got our windshield and headlight controllers. Now in the front we have got a digital speedo and tachometer. In the middle we have got ourselves a digital display on which we can see our tire pressure monitoring system, our speed and our media. It also shows how many doors are open. You can see. Let me zoom in for you guys. It just shows that three doors are open. 3 doors are open and the tire pressure. This car has got dual tone interior with black and white as common. In the middle you got a floating display which is of around 6.5 inches and is touch. Now Tata has integrated what 3-word navigation system inside this car, but we won't open it because we have got some permissions to grant to it. We got voice command, our themes. Changing the theme we can just change the color of the car. Inside this we got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, our phone setup, radio controls, media controls, and what 3-word navigation system as I mentioned earlier. The music system inside this car has been offered by Harman, which is a 8-speaker system inside this car. Moving downwards we got our AC vents, our media controls but as a physical buttons over here, our volume knobs and channel changer for our radio. We got our climate controls down over here. In this car we have specifically got Express Cool, which actually ramp up all the ACs when you press it. Now we got our 6-speed transmission over here. This car has got 3 modes: City, Eco and Sports. Eco will give us really great fuel economy and Sports will give you a real thrill inside the car. This will give you a real kick when you throttle the car. Now let's talk about storage in the middle. Now in the front we have got ourselves 12-volt power socket, our USB connector only. Now coming to the mid, we've got this sliding opener where we've got our cup holders. And opening the armrest will give us some additional storage. Our handbrake. And moving towards the glove box of the car, this car has got cooling glove box with some extra cup holders in it. And it's a very reasonably sized glove box. Big change we have got inside the car from the last generation. We have got a sunroof. In this price segment, we barely get sunroof in some of the cars, but this car offers us a sunroof. Now, as we covered the front of the car, let me get inside the rear seating of the car. Now, the biggest plus point we get inside this car is that it has got really comfortable seats. And with a new Nexon, the leg space is really good, and never mind being a coupe, I get a really great headspace inside this car because we are given this bump here to get a little bit more headspace to the person sitting in the rear of the car. And the triangle design has been continued over on the back seats as well. Pulling this tab over here, we get our middle armrest with cup holders over here. Now in between the front seat we get our AC vent, but disappointingly there is no charging port inside on the back seats of the car. And one more little thing to notice, we got our child seat. We can fit a child seat over here, as we get the belt over here for that. And now that wraps our tour for this car. Now what we can get in the conclusion of the car. If you are looking for a car within a price range of 7 lakhs to 12 lakhs, this can be your car. If you want safety, we all know that what Tata can do in terms of our safety and production managing. I have not covered a lot of things in this video, but yes, I am still learning And yes, please keep supporting. Let me know what you think about the car in the comments below. Till then, you can enjoy this B-roll and don't forget to hit like, follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.